Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Netflix app not loading or Netflix app not working problem on Android device. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the solutions. The first solution is to tap and hold Netflix app icon, then click on app info, then go to storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it. Then click on clear data and confirm it, and then launch Netflix app. Log into your Netflix account and then check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then what you have to do, then here follow the second solution. The second solution is to uninstall Netflix app first of all. So tap and hold the Netflix app and then click on uninstall, and then again click on uninstall to uninstall the Netflix app from your Android device. Then open Chrome browser. In Chrome browser, type Netflix up to down and then open up to down website. Then scroll down. Then click on older versions, scroll down, then click on older version, click on this August 12 APK file, scroll down, then click on download, click on download anyway. And once this Netflix app APK get downloaded from the up to down website, you can click on it and install it on your Android device. And after installing it, launch the Netflix app and then log into your account and check Netflix app not working or Netflix app not loading problem is fixed or not. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.